Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn English through a short and simple story. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. The best way to improve is by listening to stories, understanding new words, and practicing every day. In today's story, we will follow Liam, a man who always wanted to learn English but didn't know where to start. With small daily efforts, he slowly improved his skills. His journey will show you that learning English is possible for anyone if you keep going. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. Let's get started. Liam was someone who didn't know any English. Whenever he saw English words, they looked like a secret code he couldn't understand. He avoided speaking because he was afraid of making mistakes. In school, English was his least favorite subject. The grammar rules were confusing, and the vocabulary lists felt endless. No matter how hard he tried, he always forgot what he learned. Over time, he gave up and told himself, "Maybe English is just not for me." Years passed, and Liam still couldn't speak English. But deep inside, he wished he could. He wanted to travel, watch movies without subtitles, and talk to people from different countries. One day he met an old friend, David, who spoke English fluently. Liam was surprised and asked, "How did you learn English so well?" David smiled and said, "I practiced every day, little by little. You don't need to be perfect. Just start." Liam decided to follow David's advice. The next morning, he wrote down 3 simple English sentences in a notebook. He read them aloud and tried to remember them throughout the day. At first, it felt strange, but he kept going. A week later, Liam started listening to English songs. He chose a slow song with clear words and listened to it every day. At first, he only understood a few words, but soon he started recognizing phrases. He even tried singing along. Then, Liam found a funny TV show in English. He watched it with subtitles in his own language. After a few weeks, he switched to English subtitles. Sometimes he didn't understand everything, but he enjoyed the process. One day, he decided to practice speaking. He stood in front of a mirror and introduced himself in English. "Hi, my name is Liam. I am learning English." He felt a little silly, but he kept practicing. A few months later, Liam traveled to another city and met a tourist. The tourist asked, "Excuse me, where is the train station?" Liam took a deep breath and answered, "Go straight, then turn left. The train station is near the park." The tourist smiled and said, "Thank you." Liam couldn't believe it. He had just spoken English with a real person. He felt proud and motivated to continue learning. From that day on, Liam promised himself, "I will practice every day, even if it's just a little. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going." And so, his English journey continued. Learning English is like planting a tree. At first, you may not see much progress, but if you water it every day, it will grow strong. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Practice a little every day. Listen to English, read simple stories, and try speaking, even if it's just to yourself. The more you use English, the more natural it will feel. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to start and keep going. One day you will look back and realize how far you have come. So be patient, enjoy the journey, and never give up.